Nitin, you've been a silver medalist from IIT Delhi, BTech, MTech,
I use
both.
that very often.
Yeah,
That gets me indoors. That's really worked well for me.
that has really worked well for you. And then you joined RBS. You were there for 7 years. And then you started off the bat, you started off business, and then we have Oagri Farm within it. You're also the winner and awardee of Business Tycoon of Tomorrow, CEO Insights Top 50 awardee, and so many more.
Yeah,
And
we
I'm
won
sure-
the ET Start of the Year award in 2023.
Right.
And previous winners were Swiggy, Lenskart, etc. So that was a proud moment. Piyush Goyal presented the award to us,
Nice.
and Rajiv Chandrasekhar.
So Nitin, the lay of the land is that the students, this is second day for them. Now a lot of them have come in with those starry eyes, still struggling to decide whether they want to do startup or they want to sit for placements. I'm going to ask you a question which probably you might not have been asked publicly. What was your salary when you stepped out of RBS?
So yeah, at RBS, I'll take back one more step, right?
Sure.
And then I'll talk about this a little bit. So at IIT, I had 8 job offers on day one. I had 10 shortlists from companies from the likes of Microsoft, Futures First, Goldman Sachs, RBS, McKinsey, and all that jazz. So I chose to do investment banking because I think हमारे दिमाग में डाल दिया था कि यार अगर लंदन प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा तो 30 साल की उम्र में रिटायर कर जाओगे, कोई यॉट वॉट पे बैठे होगे एंड बड़ा चिल लाइफ होगी उसके बाद. ऑल लाइज यार, ऑल बुलशिट. I got brainwashed by that, but at the same time, investment banking actually appealed to me quite a bit. क्यों appeal किया? I'm a very action-oriented person, so it's very important to realize कि यार अंदर से feeling, जो gut feeling आती है ना आपके, ऐसा था उस समय कि मेरे को numbers दिख रहे थे सामने और मेरे को वो yacht दिख रही थी. So my mission was the yacht at 30. So that was my mission when I went in, and I was about 22 years of age or 23, somewhere around that, when I went to London. Now London जाते ही got an extremely rude shock. पहले दिन इन ऑफिस लीमन्स वेंट बैंकरप्ट. पहला दिन ऑफिस में मेरा लीमन्स की अनाउंसमेंट आ गई कि भैया दे गोइंग अंडर. एक हफ्ते बाद ऑफिस के अंदर मेरिल लिंच की खबर आ गई, भाई बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका ने उसको खरीद लिया, बिक गया. एक और हफ्ते बाद खबर आ गई कि 84% ऑफ आरबीएस इज बॉट ओवर बाय द गवर्नमेंट. एंड 3 महीने बाद 80% ऑफ माय डेस्क गॉट फायर्ड. मैं बच गया फॉर सम रीजन, एंड आई थिंक आई वाज हैंडेड अप.
यॉट तो नहीं बचनी थी उसके बाद.
मैं यॉट, मैंने कहा यार बोट का एक वो फट्टा मिल जाए, I'll be very happy with that. यॉट तो बहुत दूर की बात थी. So that's how it began, and but I took it in my stride. I was like यार कुछ अब आ गए हैं तो फोड़ फाड़ के जाते हैं यार, या फट फुट के जाएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ करके जाएंगे, right? So it was about extremes, right? So I was very clear. I was just that kind of person that, and other people used to hate me for it. Even during the orientation period, पहले 3-4 महीने का orientation होता है जहाँ आपकी ट्रेनिंग होती है. मैं यहाँ 6:30 बजे ऑफिस पहुंच जाता था, 6:30 से 8:30 ऑफिस करता था, उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग 9:30 बजे अटेंड करने जाता था. तो अदर ग्रेजुएट्स लाइक व्हाट द हेल आर यू डूइंग, वी हैव टू कम अलोंग एज वेल, तू जा रहा है तो हम नहीं जाएंगे तो बहुत बुरा लगेगा. मैंने कहा तुम देख लो अपना, बट मैं तो जाऊंगा. आई वांट दैट एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल इन द मॉर्निंग एट 6:30 व्हेन द मार्केट्स ओपन, FX market opens. I want to view and visualize.
What drove you there, Nitin?
Drove me where?
Like, what was the
The yacht.
drive that
The yacht. अभी भी थोड़ी होप थी कि कुछ ना हो जाए. No, but honestly, I was just a very, very competitive person, right? So it was just me, unfortunately.
And I want to double down, okay?
Yeah.
Because in business school, that sense of FOMO, peer pressure is very high, and I'm sure you would have experienced when other people.
Yeah, I am the guy creating the peer pressure and the FOMO. Unfortunately, I was the person doing that in IIT. So yeah.
Perfect,
so people used to hate me, and for some reason, and I'm quite infamous for that. But anyways, I had great relationship with my peers.
I'm sure.
So it was a healthy this thing.
But you decided for yourself कि 6:30 जाएंगे, okay?
जाना ही है.
okay.
हाँ. And आपको बाकियों को देखना है, देखो मैं तो अपना करूँगा यार जो मेरे को ठीक लग रहा है.
Okay.
And then I used to go, and then there was some drive, right? कि यार आए हैं तो कुछ अचीव करके जाते हैं, पूरा एफर्ट लगाते हैं, पूरा दम लगाएंगे. So even to that extent कि यार सैटरडे संडेज भी ना, because पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस इन ऑफिस, सिर्फ एक क्लीनर होता था वहां पे, मैं जाके ब्लूमबर्ग खोल के बैठ जाता था. I was just reading up something or the other, and बीच में कभी क्रिक इन्फो चला लिया, and साइड में मैच चल रहा है और यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ रिसर्च चल रही है. So I was driven to that extent. So initial days में पहले 3-4 महीने उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत ग्रंट वर्क दिया कि यार हमने ट्रेड कर दिया, तू जाके बुक कर, तू जाके. So I somehow felt very, very bad कि यार 3 महीने हो गए हैं कि मैं IIT का सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट हूँ, what the hell are they doing? मेरे को ट्रेड बुक करने को बोल रहे हैं. I'm not a trade assistant for them. But then I realize यार कि अगर वो नहीं करोगे ना, अगर तुम्हारे सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट आएगी तुम्हारे दिमाग में, कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा लाइफ के अंदर. So you should be in whatever you do, whether it's a job, whether it's your business, whether it's a startup, you should be ready to even put jhadu pocha in the office, literally. So I realized this after about 3 months. पहले 3 महीने बहुत क्रिप मारा मैंने, बहुत जबरदस्त बैठ के क्रिप मारा, क्या करा रहे हैं, बेवकूफ हैं, मैं आईआईटी का हूँ, ये है वो है. तो then I realized यार कि मैंने कहा करते हैं अब, कोई बात नहीं, let me
How
do
did
that.
switch happen from going from cribbing to actually accepting कि let's just do it?
कोई और चॉइस नहीं थी. So it just happened, but then after 3 months I got given an opportunity कि यार ये देखो, ये notional portfolio है $1 billion का, इसकी mark to market निकालो और हमें खरीदना है. और मैंने फिर अपना पूरा जी जान लगा दिया उसके ऊपर. मैंने कहा यार ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हाथ से नहीं जाने दूंगा. So I waited for that one opportunity कि जहाँ मैं फोड़ फाड़ के दिखाऊंगा. And then there I was the main person figuring out the value of the portfolio, notional $1 billion portfolio. So I figured out the value of the portfolio. I still remember we paid about $55-60 million dollars for it. We bought the portfolio from a bank which wanted to exit at exotic positions, and we were very happy because that position matched with what we wanted on our books. I was the chief architect in acquiring it. So then that actually, made me a darling of the traders, etc. And then I got given a small book. And then once they all left, then I was given a negative P&L book. यार ये तो फटी हुई बुक है, तुम देखो. तो नेगेटिव 10 मिलियन से मैंने 3-4 साल में उसको पॉजिटिव 50 मिलियन किया, फिर 50 से 100 मिलियन पाउंड्स की बुक पे लेके गया. एंड देन दैट्स हाउ इट बिगैन. बट स्टिल द मोटिवेटिंग फैक्टर वाज द बोनस एट द एंड ऑफ फरवरी. फरवरी के एंड में बोनस अनाउंस होते थे और मार्च अप्रैल में जाके मिलते थे. कैलेंडर ईयर चलता है यूके में, फाइनेंशियल ईयर नहीं चलता है, मार्च टू मार्च, अप्रैल टू अप्रैल नहीं चलता है. And I was earning a decent amount of money. I was earning £500,000 pound plus, right? So sometimes more, sometimes depending on the bonus, kaisa saal jata hai. So I was earning that kind. I have a house in central London also, which I bought. I had a Porsche which I was driving. I bought it with my own money. At the end of it, and actually you should ask me questions. Sorry.
No. This is already so interesting. So
end में ऐसा हो गया था यार, what the fuck am I doing? ये क्या है यार? I'm basically looking at कि मैं अपनी वेकेशन पे कहाँ जाऊंगा, मैं फ्राइडे नाइट डिनर हाकासान में करेंगे या वहां करेंगे, कहाँ शार्ट के ऊपर करेंगे. यही हो गया था. बिकमिंग वेरी मटीरियलिस्टिक. आई वाज एनामर्ड बाय द पोर्शेस. यार गाड़ी कैसी होनी चाहिए, एंड देन यॉट वाज अ स्लाइटली डिस्टेंट ड्रीम, बट ये था कि यॉट होनी चाहिए एंड सो एंड सो फोर्थ. बट ऑल दैट सीम्ड वेरी 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 रैंडम टू मी. सो दैट रियलिटी हिट आफ्टर अबाउट 5-6 years. Being in London. क्या bullshit कर रहा हूँ यार, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मतलब what am I doing? Am I really making an impact to anyone's life? Except for earning a few dollars, few pounds, I'm not really doing much. And I started getting frustrated by the day. यार, I'm not made for this. I'm made for something bigger. That's when the realization hit. यार, करो wide space में big time के अंदर कुछ करो, impactful करो, and वहाँ पे do something which you can call of your own, and then do something meaningful. All this banking shanking had lost all its meaning, for me somehow. And that was just जैसे वो होता है ना, कई लोग पहाड़ में चले जाते हैं, उनको बड़ी वो आ जाती है suddenly eureka moment, यार what the hell, or you discover who you are. So kind of I was on that journey. It took me a bit too long, and लाल पासपोर्ट भी अट्रैक्ट कर रहा था कि लेके जाएंगे. So लाल पासपोर्ट मिल गया, and then I said I am done. That's when I said I want to move back to the biggest space there is, which is India, and यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे, फोड़ लेंगे, करते हैं कुछ. So that's how.
Very, very interesting journey, Nitin. I'm going to take 1 or 2 steps back, and there are some probing questions. So, when I look at the student's mindset, the thought is कि अच्छा आपने तो ये सब कर लिया, पैसे भी बना लिए, पोर्शा भी चला ली, spring में नहा भी लिए, everything got done, and then you felt that sense of that, okay, this is still not meaningful for my life. But a lot of
Still not. It was totally unmeaningful, totally bullshit. Honestly.
But that
I did not
happened
want to
because you
lead my life like that. कि I'm waiting for the weekend and I'm waiting for 3 months में vacation में स्पेन जाना है या इटली जाना है. ये मेरे को ऐसी लाइफ चाहिए नहीं थी. I did not want my goal to be that.
Got it. Because when I'm trying to understand is the student will think that, okay, I want to first live that life, or that is my end goal. And that is what your end goal was when you started, which was the yours.
So I'll tell you, if I had to relive all this over again, and you have to go through your own journey. ऐसा नहीं है यार मेरी जर्नी सुन के तुम suddenly enamored हो जाओगे, यार नहीं ये करते हैं. I would have curtailed my 7 years to about 3 years.
Okay.
And then taken the plunge. But everything happens for a reason, I would say, right? Because 15 में जब मैं वापस आया ना, तो स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम उभरने लग गया था. फ्लिपकार्ट ने, जोमेटो ने लैंडस्केप चेंज कर दिया था. Amazon भी आ गया था उस समय, राइट. इट वाज आल्सो अ स्टार्टअप इन इंडिया. मैं जेफ बेजोस 2-3 साल पहले आके बोल के गया था मैं $1 billion इन्वेस्ट करने वाला हूँ. नहीं, यू शुड बी ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, स्टिल इज. बट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मुझे लगा यार बहुत ही सही इकोसिस्टम यहाँ पे डेवलप हो रहा है. So the timing I felt was right, and it's a lot about timing as well, and luck to a large extent. So it just worked out. Had I come back in 2012, 13, maybe नहीं होता यार. Who knows? Like hindsight में कुछ भी हो सकता है, कैसे भी हो सकता है. But I currently feel that I was about 4 years too long. But I built up a little bit of a security blanket as well, so that gave me a little bit more option. And plus, IIT degree was a great and still is a great security blanket in some way or form.
So Nitin, now the mindset of your people around you when you said that, okay, I want to leave my £500,000 job and move back to India to start up, which would probably mean that और salary तो नहीं आ रही अब.
Yeah, exactly. As a founder, you had to sacrifice pretty much everything. From an owned house in central London, like 10 minutes away from Oxford Street, from owning a Porsche, I had to sell it and मैं रोया था उस दिन जब मैंने उसको बेचा था. Literally, I cried and I think I was more excited about coming back to India. I used to live in SDA after that. Took a massive salary cut just to pay my bills. Electricity bill, गाड़ी का bill and whatnot, वो सब pay हो जाए. Used to roam around in autos. Not because of lack of money, because I wanted to experience India. And bought a Creta and drove it for about 6-7 years. And I was okay with it. I actually was happier in a Creta than a Porsche. Because that made me feel less entitled. I wanted to make myself feel absolutely unentitled, if that's a word. And मेरे को entitlement चाहिए नहीं थी अपनी लाइफ में. So इतना कुछ कि ऑफ बिजनेस में हमारा छोटा तो ऑफिस था, तो एक दिन cleaner did not come. So I went and wiped the tables and stuff. So I cleaned everything up. I was okay with it. And I used to love it. कि यार बाकी लोगों को जो हमारे ऑफिस में हैं उनको ठीक लगना चाहिए. So let's do that. And we never felt entitled even one bit. So even I was a co-founder, but I said I want to prove myself first before I even get a team member under me. So all of us were like that. So that's how it started.
So was there the idea first? The co-founders came first. Like how did you all get together? Because I know you.
So space came first कि B2B में कुछ करना है.
And who were you discussing this with?
Yeah, so Ashish was the main orchestrator, as I would like to put it. He was assembling a team, and I spoke to him one day, and मेरे को ना IIT group में एक message आया कि यार Ashish is assembling a team in the B2B space. He's looking for a CTO. So I reached out to him. I said यार CTO का T तो आता नहीं मुझे, हो गए 7 साल, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा टेक के अंदर. Python to me is a snake. तो अब बता क्या करना है, right? So he said एक बार इंडिया आ जा. So I came down for one day just to meet him. I met him at a cafe. Very vividly remember the conversation that we had. We had a conversation about 6-7 hours that day. Discussed. हमने बोला था हम सब कुछ ऑनलाइन डालेंगे, हॉस्पिटल आके खरीद लेंगे, होटल्स आके खरीद लेंगे, SMEs आके खरीद लेंगे. बहुत बढ़िया लगा कि हाँ ये तो फोड़ फाड़ देंगे, एक साल में $1 billion कंपनी बना देंगे. Immediately yes, I love the vibes. And then 2 days later, like Friday I landed morning, Sunday morning I was back in London. Monday I went and resigned. Wow. It was that fast. So I trusted my gut instinct कि यार अब जाके कुछ फोड़ फाड़ के आते हैं. This is a great opportunity, and then that's how it began. Yeah.
And you were already parallelly feeling the burden of the entitlement that you had with your current job. Like
entitlement is a wrong word to use in my current job. It was just that I was not making an impact.
So you were feeling the lack of impact in your current job.
Yeah, lack of satisfaction internally. Lack of contentment, I think, is a better word to use.
So the lack of contentment and the meeting with Ashish almost happened serendipitously, or?
नहीं, so lack of contentment आ चुका था. I was actively seeking something, and then that happened. Was luck, कह लो या जो भी कह लो. September 31st is when I was the second one to join off business.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So Nitin, then you and Ashish had that meeting. It was a paper idea till then, I'm assuming.
Yeah, fully paper idea. कुछ भी नहीं था. So we just knew that B2B में कुछ करना है. We assembled a team together, and then we said, yeah, 5 smart लोग in a room with complementary skill set, non-overlapping skill set. We'll figure something out.
Let's double dive on that. Yeah. Like, what does non-complementary skill set mean?
Complementary
skill set means.
It means यार अगर 4 co-founder sales वाले हैं, वो चल ही नहीं सकता स्टार्टअप. बंद कर दो, इसी समय बंद कर दो. 4 co-founders की अलग-अलग skill set होनी चाहिए. They should bring something on the table that the other one does not have.
Okay.
Now, what did Ashish bring onto the table? Ashish brought a strong sense of profitability and risk. कि उसको रिस्क समझ आता था, वो बंदा समझ आता था कि यार ये बेवकूफ बना रहा है, नहीं बना रहा है, एंड उसको प्रॉफिट की बड़ी अच्छी सेंस थी। रुचि प्रोसेस फ्रीक, राइट, कि पैसा एक पैसा इधर से उधर नहीं हो सकता, जो मर्जी कर लो। भुवन CTO टेक, मी एक्सट्रीमली ऑप्टिमिस्ट कि यार फोड़ फाड़ देंगे, वहां पे जाओगे तो सेल्स वेल्स करके कुछ ना कुछ मचा के ले आएंगे, राइट। एंड आई ब्रॉट अ ह्यूज just optimism and energy into the entire group, and I turned out to be a very decent salesperson. So I started with sales and brought the first revenue, etc., and then scaled it up massively. So that's what I brought onto the table. So everyone had complementary skills, right? So if you have overlapping skills, the startup is destined to fail.
So Nitin, also a lot of students are very early in their journey where they don't necessarily know their own superpower also, and they're still figuring it
But
out.
this is the place to figure it out, right? This is the place to figure it out. मैं बहुत बारी बोल चुका हूँ बच्चों को भी, and the new students and entrepreneurs, go and speak to as many people as possible, yaar. Please don't while away your Saturdays and Sundays going to movies and going and doing random shit. Go and speak to as many entrepreneurs, not even entrepreneurs, SME से जाके बात करो, SME ओनर से जाके बात करो कि यार आप हमें एक्सपीरियंस बताओ, अपनी लाइफ जर्नी बताओ, क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा, क्या किया, क्या कहाँ फटा, उससे कैसे सीखे आप, बस उनसे जाके लाइफ जर्नी सीखो। जाके बात करो 50 फाउंडर से, प्रथम सबको जानता है, राइट, यू नो अ लॉट ऑफ फाउंडर्स, so just take numbers and names from them यार, and I never say no. So प्रथम just instantly asked me, I said तेरे को भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है यार, तू सीधा नंबर दे उनको बोल के मेरे साथ मीटिंग सेटअप करें और आ जाएं। So Pratham also does not need to reach out to me कि यार Nitin, can you meet up with these guys? I said you directly give the number, ask them to contact me, I will figure out when to meet them, and I will meet up with them, and I will give them candid feedback. So just go and speak to as many people as possible यार, just take time and just go, and be बेशरम in doing this. जितना तुम्हें शर्म आएगी उतना कम सीखोगे तुम। जाके बात करो यार, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ पीएन से जाके बात करो, एक कंपनी के पीएन से लेकर परचेज मैनेजर से लेकर एमडी से लेकर, बिकॉज पीएन अंदर घुसाता है, परचेज मैनेजर धंधा करता है, एमडी फाइनल डिसीजन देता है, राइट। सो वी यूज्ड टू स्पीक टू एवरीवन यार, दैट्स हाउ वी वेंट ऑन द स्ट्रीट। हम तो हर किसी से बात करके आते थे, मैं तो मतलब एक घंटा मेसन से बात करी हुई है, सो कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे कर रहे हो, ये ईट कहाँ से लेके आते हो, वगैरह 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 वगैरह।
A lot of curiosity more
Has
than
to
anything
be.
else. That
Curiosity will never kill the cat in this trade. Let me tell you. Curiosity will only make the kitten into a big fat cat, which is what you want.
fantastic. So the space and the idea and the team start getting together, and Ashish was the one who was getting
Who got the entire team together. So I think after that, then the magic started happening. Yeah, when we went on the ground and we figured out कि यार बड़ा धंधा बन सकता है ना, right to win क्या है, उसके बाद figure out किया हमने।
And Nitin, this was your team because you and Ashish had not worked together. You didn't even know each other, and there was that IIT fabric that kept you together. That you're both alumni of this.
Well, IIT fabric just tells you that ये बंदा smart है, but उसके बाद बंदा कैसा है नहीं पता।
हाँ, because is the person fair, trustworthy? ये वो
Exactly.
एक तरीके से you're marrying the person professionally, right?
Absolutely, that's what you're doing. Your co-founders are going to be spending more time with them than your spouses.
Precisely.
And your mother, father. So you need to develop that kind of bond. And it's okay to take that time to develop the bond, yeah. Fine.
And you were ready to put
Go
everything out with
I said,
with that one meeting.
हाँ, absolutely. I was like, okay, करते हैं यार, नहीं होगा तो देखी जाएगी यार, मतलब है, I back myself to do 50 other things. It's all right.
So tell us a little bit more about how did Off Business come into what it is today. And I know it's still, you guys are doing so many more things, but maybe some sense of it.
So how did we come to the idea? So one thing that we initially did not do for the first 9 months is हमने बस जाके brute force sales करी, and I think थोड़ा गलत था उसके अंदर।
Okay.
Brute force sales was that किसी भी तरीके से धंधा लेके आओ, तो हम जाके स्टीक बेचते थे, क्लाइंट से पहले पैसे ले लेते थे, but we never thought about कि यार हम क्यों कर रहे हैं। So answering the why is the biggest thing that you can solve for your startup, and answering the right to win. That why, if you answer, then you get the answer of right to win. It's okay to take 3-4 months to get the right to win. So don't get married to the problem until then. तो शादी मत करो प्रॉब्लम के साथ, प्रॉब्लम्स बहुतेरी आएंगी, पिवट 50 बारी करोगे। So don't get married to the problems until you figure out aha moment. Aha moment आने के बाद तुम्हें मतलब खुद ही समझ आ जाएगा aha moment है। Keep doing as much research as possible यार, insane amount of research यार, and be बेशरम about it. Absolutely बेशरम about it. So don't worry about any kind of issues and so on and so forth, right? Yeah, so that's how we began, and then we figured out aha moment कि यार banks जो है सिर्फ credit देते हैं SMEs को, material नहीं देते हैं। Distributors जो है सिर्फ material देते हैं SMEs को, credit देने में उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, उनके पास खुद पैसे नहीं होते, तो they want faster rotation. We said let's combine the two business models together. We become a lender plus a material provider at the same time in one platform, and that became an aha moment. Our right to win is this, and no one else was doing it. Now, after 7-8 years, when people have realized, and we did it under the radar. 7-8 years के बाद आदित्य बिरला आ गया, JSW आ गया, बिरला पिवट करके उनका प्लेटफॉर्म है, JSW आ गया with JSW 1. L&T has started something. I don't know the exact platform name. Sufin करके कुछ है, but that's a financing platform. Plus they're doing something here. Other people are contemplating getting into this. Then Zetwork happened. Then Infra Market happened, looking at us, right? And they dabbled into similar business models. And then other startups came, and that was actually a proud moment. Yeah, we were able to bring about some revolution.
Right. Change the way.
And people are calling themselves off business of the chemical world or XYZ supply chain. So that's how we began, and that's how we grew.
My last question, till how long you had to, because the afterlife, like once the startup works out and everything is hunky-dory, you've raised funding, you're profitable, blah blah, life is great, but the grunt work, how long did that go for?
It's still going on. So my job out here is to create value from scratch. So I incubate new businesses, bring it up to a good level and hand it over. So I keep doing it over and over and over again. So the grunt work still is happening. I love the grunt work. I live for the grunt work. जिस दिन grunt work खत्म हो जाता है ना, I feel iffy. I feel depressed. It's just how people are made. That's how I am made. That's how I'm wired inside.
And your salary cut continued for how many years?
Still, but I've done some secondaries. थोड़ा पैसे कमा लिए, Crest में घर खरीद लिया, एक दो गाड़ी खरीद ली. But that's not the satisfaction, right? That's just means of survival, and that's pretty much it. We are very happy. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nitin, from the tweet by PM Modi to your yacht story.
Yeah, I still can't believe it. Parody account अभी मेरे को लगता है.
असली है अभी मुझे लग रहा है क्रेटा कितनी तारीफ की Hyundai का CEO भी डालेगा. But from that to the yacht dream, then leaving your cush job in RBS to starting something which has really impacted multiple people in so many ways. Thank you so much.
No, my pleasure, Mehak, and thank you so much.